Welcome to Pattavikorn Market, one of Bangkok's hidden gems that many tourists have never seen. Today, we're taking a POV walking tour through the new Pattavikorn Market project, where local life, street shopping, and affordable finds come together in one place. As we start walking, you'll notice that Pattavikorn Market is different from the modern shopping malls in Bangkok. This place feels more local, more authentic, and more connected to everyday Thai life. Many people come here because prices are cheap, and you can find almost everything from secondhand clothes to electronics, antiques, tools, and street food. The new project area of Pattavikorn Market is more organized and easier to walk through. The walkways are wider, the shops are neatly arranged, and it feels more comfortable than the older market zones. But it still keeps the classic market atmosphere that people love. As we continue the walk, look to the left and right. You'll see rows of clothing shops selling jeans, jackets, vintage shirts, and sportswear. If you like thrift shopping, this place is a gold mine. Many items are imported second-hand clothes, and if you take your time to look, you can find very unique fashion pieces at very low prices. Further inside the market, you'll find shops selling tools, old cameras, electronics, and random vintage items. Pattavikorn Market is actually famous for these second-hand and surplus goods. Some people even come here to hunt for collectibles and rare items. One of the best things about walking in this market is the street food. You'll find grilled meat, fried snacks, Thai desserts, iced drinks, and fresh fruit. The food here is simple, local, and affordable, perfect for a quick snack while walking around. The new Pattavikorn Market project also has more covered areas, so it's more comfortable when it's hot or raining. This makes it easier for visitors to walk around any time of the day. If you're visiting Bangkok and want to see a different side of the city, not just malls and tourist markets, Pattavikorn Market is definitely worth visiting. It's local, it's interesting, and it's full of surprises. Thanks for walking with me today through Pattavikorn Market's new project area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the next walking tour around Bangkok.
Bằng vuông ghê quá.
ใจคุณกันเรื่องของผมติดตั้งแต่เก่าเลยตั้งแต่ทำหวยอะไรทำลอตเตอรี่อะไรก็ตามก็เป็นกำลังใจให้นะครับอะไรผิดก็ว่าตามผิดถูกก็ว่าตามคือเราคนไทยดีใจมีโลกมากไม่มีใครเสียสละทำงานการชีวิตครอบครัวหาเพื่อหาผู้ทำเพื่อประเทศชาติในแต่ในขณะเดียวกันก็จะมีเพื่อนหรือว่าผู้หลักผู้ใหญ่หรือว่าผู้ที่เคารพเรียกว่าพ่อบุญธรรม
ฮัลโหลatau finalnya atau tri lapan kan